In the absence of a municipal sewage system, it may become necessary for some property owners to install their own sewage treatment system or a water storage solution. These systems are commonly referred to as underground storage tanks, conservancy, or as septic tanks, possibly including an inline soakaway. RotoTank offers a wide variety of innovative modular tanks for virtually any wastewater application. These modular tanks are passive, self-sufficient, and operate by gravity forces alone. RotoTank's modular tanks also have a watertight design with robust structural integrity and are easy to transport.
Hi, I'm Mr. RotoTank. Did you know that it's possible to install your own septic system all by yourself?
Depending on municipal bylaw requirements for sewage treatment systems or water storage solutions, there are 3 different options to choose from. Option 1 may consist of a septic tank in combination with an innovative Soakaway tank system that processes human solid waste and then disperses the effluent into a soak or drain field. Additional septic tanks can be added in series to accommodate extensive user requirements. Option 2 consists only of a conservancy tank without the Soakaway tank system and will require periodic pumping of effluent by professional sewage services. And Option 3 consists of an underground storage tank that stores only grey water for secondary usage. Alternatively, this tank can also be used as a freshwater underground storage tank.
So let's get started by visually surveying your property.
Choose the designated area on your property, making sure you have enough room for the entire installation, ensuring that the soakaway is positioned below the elevation of the tank and the main dwelling. Make sure that the installation is not too close to any other buildings, municipal services, trees, boreholes, swimming pool, or any natural waterways.
Next, you need to dig a level pit. A professional can easily do this. Or you may be able to save money by doing the layout and installation yourself.
Excavate the correct sized level pit in which to insert the tank, making sure that there is enough clearance around the tank to work with ease. Also, make sure the tank is installed above the level of the groundwater table.
Now it's time to lay the foundation.
It is suggested that a 1:6 ratio of damp cement and river sand mix is used to cover at least 300 millimeters across the base of the excavated pit. Ensure that the cement and river sand mix is leveled and then compacted. To prevent puncturing the tank, make sure no sharp objects are protruding from the foundation. Insert the tank into the prepared pit and bed the tank properly by gently maneuvering it backwards and forwards on the foundation base, making sure the tank is accurately leveled.
And now you can assemble the pipes.
The pipes can easily be joined by using a soap water mix. Ram the required pipes home into the provided and fitted rubber pipe seals on the tank, which prevents soil or roots from entering the tank. To ensure free flow of liquids, the gradient must be at least 1 in 40, that is 100 millimeters for every 4 meters. To prevent any blockages from solids, avoid any sharp bends or kinks in the pipes. Fill the tank completely with water to offer inside resistance and prevent the tank from floating or collapsing when the backfill material is added. The same 1:6 ratio of damp concrete and river sand mix should be lightly compacted in 300 mm separate backfill layers from the base up to 100 mm from the top, always keeping the tank lid tightly in place. It's important that you keep the tank full for at least 7 days until the backfill has dried and set. If the tank's manhole is below ground level, a RotoTank manhole extension tube can be added. The remaining top 100 mm can be filled with soil for planting lawn grass. Alternatively, a cement or brick perimeter frame can be built around the manhole extension and tank lid to protect it. For further child safety, the manhole perimeter frame can be covered with a secure manhole cover.
Do you know the difference between conventional French drains and the innovative RotoTank Soakaway system?
Conventional French drain systems are known to be hazardous. Since the water does not disperse fast enough, they may clog up with sludge, become dysfunctional, and they can also possibly collapse. They do not allow for direct access, cannot be inspected, and they are near impossible to maintain, which ultimately results in long-term expenses. RotoTank highly recommends installing their more affordable, ready-to-use Soakaway system. RotoTank Soakaway systems ensure efficiency and longevity of septic tanks. RotoTank Soakaway systems also maximize the effective dispersion of effluent and grey water into the soakaway fields and can easily be extended with minimal effort.
It's now time to install your secondary chamber of the Soakaway system.
Soakaway inspection chambers are installed in the same manner as septic tanks. Once the combined septic tank and Soakaway system is installed, connect the toilet outlet to the septic tank inlet via a 110mm PVC pipe. The overflow or outlet from the septic tank is then connected to the Soakaway assembly. The grey water from your bath and basin are to be connected directly to the Soakaway system. The Soakaway pipe field is directed to drain away from the septic tank, allowing for submersible free flow into the drain field. The pipes are laid in mixed sizes of stone and gravel to prevent the pipes from clogging with topsoil. The stone and gravel is covered with nylon shade cloth or an equivalent. Cover the cloth with a layer of topsoil so you can plant lawn grass.
Now that all the heavy work's done, it's time to activate the septic tank.
An activator initiates the anaerobic bacterial breakdown process in the septic tank. After flushing the toilet, fluids and solids collect in the septic tank. The bacteria or activator dissolves the solid waste product, resulting in fairly clean water. This water flows out through the overflow and into the secondary chamber and transfers into the drain field. The anaerobic bacterial process continues and is present throughout the system.
Let me remind you about proper maintenance and safety precaution tips.
Never drive a vehicle over your septic tank and Soakaway system under any circumstances. Do not add any foreign objects into the system.
This means no sanitary towels, cigarette butts, chemicals, or detergents, since these will kill the bacteria that enable the anaerobic biodegradation process to take place.
And please watch out for continuous running water from the main taps and faucets, faulty toilets and leaking pipes, as it overburdens the Soakaway system. Please use extreme caution if you are going to inspect the system yourself. It is best to leave such procedures to your local wastewater professionals.
And there you are, a very big well done. Your septic tank system is now ready for use. Bye! I gotta go now. I really gotta go now.
RotoTank for all your water, chemical, transport, septic, underground, and silo tanks. RotoTank, designed to last.